There's some valley fog for you. In fact, that might work. No. That's just right down the bottom. And that's Iverson over there. Valley fog goes right over there. And there's some more over here where I'm pedaling into. Right, so I'm thinking just around this bend over here, we should be able to see another bit of valley fog. So if you bear with me, there's the sheep, black ones. Bah! Bah! Where is it at? There it is. You can just see it coming over the top of the trees there. So if you bear with me, look, it's more like on the main road up there. Sometimes deers in this field running around. In fact, actually, you'll see all the rabbits in a second. Yeah. So here we are. As you can see, the fog's just at the end of the road there. And we're going to dip into it. Hey, and see if we can see any rabbits run out. Oh, it's quiet the deer. There's one. There's another one. Hello. Must be a bit nippy for them. There's another bunny. There's another one over there. 2, 3. Hello. Any big ones this morning? You can see the holes are all along there. There's one. There's another one. Hello, mate. Yeah, so now I'm in the fog. But this ride was really easy. That's why I had time to take videos of valley fog.